is Gage, and this week I was 3D printing a lot, and as you can see right here is one of the plates that I am printing today. They are going to be a bunch of keychains that have my school's logo on it, and I have also done a pumpkin version, and they look just like this. So they are kind of similar, but this one, as you can see, like it looks like a pumpkin, and they both have the logo on top, and so that's what I've been working a lot on. And as you can see, I tried to fit as many as I possibly can. So this has over 30 of them on it, and the other one has about 28, I believe, on it. So there's been a lot, and like we have so many that it has to twist a few of them. So that is what I've been working on. That, and then how I work on it is through the Fusion 360, which is right here. So as you can see, right here we have a square version which I haven't printed yet. We have a circle version which was printing today. And then we have the pumpkin version right here. As you can see, they are slightly textured to make that actually look like a pumpkin. And then this one just has like the garlic logo slightly sticking out, so that way it's easier to separate the colors in Bamboo Labs. And I added a little hole right here because we're going to get key rings, and we're going to make them keychains for your keys. And Fusion 360 makes it easy to do all of this. The only thing I can't really do in here is the colors of it. So to do the colors, I go back to Bamboo Labs, and then I click on one, and then I go to this little paint icon right here. And let's say I want an orange one. You see how this says fill, and I want to connect the same color. So like since this is all white, it's going to do all the white but not the blue. And then when you click it, as you can see, it turns it all orange. And then to get this little center section, you just zoom in and you just click it. And as you can see, there is an orange one. And then when you're done, you just click return. And then you can see right there is an orange one. It doesn't change them all though. So what I would do is I would push Control A, Control, and then click this one, and then delete. And then this one you can Control C, and then Control V, and then I just Control A, Control C, Control V, and then I do a Control A, Control C, Control V, and then I do it a few more times until I think it's about enough, which would be like right about there. And then I click Arrange right here. So, and then sometimes I'll click Auto Rotate, but since they're circles, it doesn't really matter. And then as you can see, it gets them into the best arrangement it can be in. And then I can just go over here if I wanted to, and I can just click all of these and get rid of them. And what I normally do is I'll click all of them but one, and then I will Control A, and then try to arrange to make sure it is as much as we can fit. And then we might be able to fit one right there. I'm not entirely sure. It doesn't look like. Yeah, it doesn't look like it can fit, because it'll be overlapping. Well, unless you might be able to fit it there, but it'd be too tight, so I'll just leave it like this, and then I would slice it, which once it's done slicing, what you can do is right here, you can zoom in a little bit, and then you can scroll down with this, and it'll go over every layer with you. So like it'll show that like the inside isn't fully solid, it's kind of hollow. And then as it continues going up, you can see that it ends up being like this. And then right here this is when it's testing itself, trying to make sure everything is correct before it starts 3D printing. And right here is a little prime tower that's just making sure that no orange is leaking in with the blue when it does the Gull Lake. And that is it for 3D printing this week, and I plan to do more. And actually, there is one more thing, and I have been creating a website, which let me open real quick. And here is the Go Lake computer science merchant swag that I've been designing. So let me just preview it. So as you can see, I have a little welcome, and then it's like it's just a little paragraph about us, and then like right here is more detail about us. And they both have this little shop now. You click it, and then it'll take you here. Right now, there's no pictures for the keychains, so it's just as keychains, and we plan to have a few more products. When you click keychains, you'll be able to choose your variation. So you can choose between a pumpkin, a haunted house, and helmet. Right now, the haunted house and helmet are being designed, and so let's just choose that one since that's the one that we actually have. You can choose whether or not like you want a logo, like a number on the back, and then what you can do is you can click add more. And the reason I had to click add more right now is because I have a few of them already in the bag, as you can see right here, and 2 of them are haunted house and 21 are with the logo. And then you'll be able to check out, and then you should be able to finish, and you can, and hopefully we'll be able to have people be able to come pick them up, and then hopefully it goes well. And that's all I have for this week, and I hope you